take it back. Let me see you rock it.
Let's start by taking a look at how RUKUSfx Pro is built. First, you know you got a RUKUSfx Pro by the color. This device is only made in black, whereas Rukus 1.0 is white. More than just the color though. We redesigned everything about the RUKUSfx Pro to give you even more control over your mixing and creating. On the side of the device is a switch that says off, music, and sound effects. When turned on, you're going to see a Bluetooth indicator LED at the top of the device. This lets you know that it's ready to be paired with the RUKUSfx Pro Studio app. When Rukus is on, but not in use, it'll go to sleep to save power. To wake it up, just press any button on the device and perform any of the 4 basic moves, which I'll go through in a minute. Rukus will reset to the beginning of the music or sound effects library, just like when you powered it on. There are 5 buttons on the side of the device. The first button at the top is the volume control button. Whenever you turn it on, the RUKUSfx Pro will be set to the highest level, but you can change the volume by pressing the button until you find the level that you want. The second button lets you record whatever you want with the microphone built into the top of the device. The third button lets you record your songs or sound effects performances. The fourth button lets you cycle forward to the next song or sound effects, and the fifth button lets you cycle backward through the previous song or sound effects. As you cycle forward and back through different music or sound effects options, you'll hear a short clip of each song or sound effects theme depending on the mode you're in. When you hear the ones you like, just start moving and you'll be able to play all of the tracks or sound effects in the song or theme. There's a trigger button, which lets you access tracks 5 through 8 of each song or sound effects pack. The thumb button, which can be used in 2 ways. First, by pressing and holding the thumb button, you're going to activate the freestyle mode, which lets you move around without triggering any new sound files. And second, a double tap on the thumb will instantly stop whatever is playing. There's a USB, so you can upload new music and sound effects directly to the device, and when not connected to the app, you can also use the USB port to download your performances or offload any new sound files you don't want. The USB port is for file transfer only. It won't charge the device. The RUKUSfx Pro is powered by 3 AAA batteries that go here. The batteries last a long time, but if you start experiencing any issues with the device, turn it off and turn it back on again. If that doesn't clear up the issue, it probably means the batteries are running low and need to be replaced. There's a headphone jack that lets you plug in any standard wired headphones, or you can plug in any wired speakers for a much bigger sound. Last, there are 3 LEDs in the front panel of the device that change color as you move. They're also used as visual cues in both the recording modes as well as some of the other advanced features. But we'll go through all of that in more detail in the advanced features section.